I hear say some Jamaican go down on their knees about to Messi when him come at Jamaica come play football. And I look and I say, since when Jamaicans are go down on knees about to people? And I stand up on I foot and show people respect. Yes, stand up on toe foot and say, respect Messi. Great baller. We go down on knee and go. We look lightning for them thing there. I don't understand some of them new set of Jamaican here, you know, because like on a week out, you know. I don't trust somehow, you know. I don't trust somehow at all. What do you know? When Spice said, Mavada sell out Jamaica, Spice never mean what she say, you know. Spice just use a kind of psychology to win a clash. But now me hear say Messi forward on Jamaica if you come play football. And una lick down fence, a pick lock and a jump over wall and a kick down barrel and box and can and all them type of thing. Then I go down on knees. A bow and a bug out. Lightning for that. Stand up on your foot and show I want him respect. You know say it. When I youth, I grew up in Jamaica. We don't know them thing there. The only time we go down power near when we pray to the Almighty. You know say it. And then now we got here say now, some of honor sell out Jamaica because honor help play against the team when Messi them play against. I never know their name because I'm in the football world, a music world, I don't follow up the football thing. Yes, so on sell out, on help sell out the team when Messi them play against, you know, where I represent Jamaica, you know. How you have to do that? If your favorite footballer come at Jamaica to come play against a team from your country, and we have something to do with your country, stand up on your foot, man, and show the footballer where you rate, your favorite footballer. Welcome to my country, sir. Respect, sir. You know, say it. But at the same time, you have to turn up for your country. Turn up for your country team. Saying, I make the great, mighty Messi. Saying, no, sir. Yo, a jam rock you there, you know. You're up on the rock, you know. Saying, and you will come now, you can lose too. So, one of them to stand up with full country team, you know. And defeat the great Messi, you know. Pan Jamaican style and get a whole victory. But when I go down pan knee, but when I go down pan knee. When pan knee I go. You know say it. And at the same time I big up Messi too, you know, because I don't know any fans are fans same way, you know. Because you know what I say. And as Jamaicans, we superstars, you know. We're on track and field and in a music, you know. And when they touch anywhere out in the earth, you know. And so people light up the place for them. You want to see when time Sizzler and Cape Town and Boja them touching a Gambia and them place there. All the people them, you ever pandemonium? Them type of thing there. See it? But in a situation like that now, Messi and him team come at Jamaica to play against a team where I represent Jamaica according to how I hear it. Pan Jamaica style. I know the pan knees. And I cheer against the team where I represent Jamaica. I don't understand, you know. Una sell out. I don't have sell out Jamaica. I don't have sell out Jamaica. I sell out Jamaica. That way you hear Spice over there. It was a card Spice a draw to win a clash. She never serious. See who sell out Jamaica there? All I want to go down pan me on a bow out. Shame on you, man. Turn up by your foot and show people their respect when they come to your country. Turn up by your foot. By your toe foot. And show people their respect. I don't know, we respect people, we love people. What I do? Even though I big up all the real Jamaicans, them when we say, oh, when we stand up for Jamaica, we stand up for Jamaica. Anywhere in the world, we stand up for Jamaica. And I said, we don't care who the guy is. We stand up for Jamaica. So I say, all of the real article Jamaicans, them, and they call me too patriotic, yeah, sir. You see, they call me all come like Spice too. Because Spice, I want patriotic Jamaican. You see, go on for the clash, what you? Eh? Yes. You know, say it. We don't depend them thing the Rasta. And that's how we grow. I don't know where that set of Jamaican that come from, still, sir. You know, say it. But that's how we grow. We don't know the thing like that. We stand up for Jamaica and show people respect. Right, sir. Shocking Morris said that.